Okay, this is the beautiful unboxing of the Snack Smart Do Good Love with Food Deluxe thing that you buy online from where? From I don't know.com. You open it up. One box, 2 meals. You help fight hunger. We heart you. Oh, lovewithfood.com. Here's the awesome box we got. First we have a Leger Waffle from the Belgian boys. Sure you can see it, the authentic Belgian waffle. Next we have a vegetables. Okra, pumpkin, purple sweet potato. 0 calories, 100% delicious. And then next they give you pitted Greek olive mix. Feels a little squishy, so it's probably wet. Product of Greece, sounds healthy. They give you 2 fruity pies, fig and walnut, and apricot and almond. Natural fruit, it says. And then we go on with the kind bars. No GMO. You can see and pronounce salted caramel. And then what's this? Enlightened. Haven't heard of this one. Good for you, 100 calories. Wasabi. Roasted broad peanuts. I'm guessing that is... Okay. That would be a little 100 calorie snack. And they gave us 2 non-crisps. Stone Fire. No artificial preservatives. Let's just see real quick what it has in it. Enriched barley. Oh crap, can't see it. Enriched wheat, flour, riboflavin, canola oil, potatoes, buttermilk, sugar, vinegar powder. Modified food starch. Okay. This is organic hard candies. Ooh, my dad would like that. Yum yum. Then we have picnic shoestring potatoes, GMO free. Let's see what these things look suspect. Ingredients: potatoes, oil, cottonseed oil, sea salt. Oh, it's a lot better than I thought it would be. Shoestring potatoes. Another kind bar. This one's salted caramel, same thing as the other one. Shasta chipotle lime, multi-grain chips, some white cheddar jalapeno gourmet popcorn. Let's see what that has in it. Sunflower oil, cheddar cheese, milk, salt, cheese, cultures, enzymes, whey, buttermilk, jalapeno, chili, pepper, salt. Okay, sounds good. 2 of these little buggers. This would be rich chocolate cookie thins. And then, what else is this? A bunch of coupons for American Indian flavor tastes. Monkey Foods. Sounds kind of not gonna go there. Kind Pop. Enlightened. Hello Friends. Hello Fresh. What's this? $40 on Hello Fresh. Sounds like the same thing, except for we create recipes that are delicious and nutritious. You choose what you like. We deliver to you for free. You cook great meals. Step by step. Alrighty then. And then, what is this? Picnic. Save 40 cents. Jorge, 40 centavos al comprar este producto. USA, ahora. USA. Not USA, USA. Alright, that's it. See you next time on our unboxing.